Here I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by tapping on it once, recording starts, but let's firstly hold our finger on it to access some of its settings. So here you can change lots of options. You can set up resolution of your recording, you can change its video quality, you can change its orientation, sound source, you can set up fixed frame rate or just like automatic frame rate. You can also like use lock screen to end recording, you can show touch gestures, and you can also show button taps. So let's try to record something. So as you can see, when you tap on this button, this kind of little menu appears. From here you can also access its settings. You can also access folder in gallery where your recordings are being saved. You can close it by tapping on this cross. So to start recording, you just tap on this red button and recording starts instantly. So let's record some of our screen. So to stop recording, you just tap on this red button once, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery. And here it is in the album, screen and photos, screenshots and screen recordings. So yeah. Okay, so no sound because I have do not disturb mode enabled, I guess. Okay, I guess I didn't enable microphone, so you can't hear my voice on the recording, but you can see me performing same like actions which I did while recording this video. So yeah, and from here you can like share, edit, delete your recording, like it, and yeah, and other stuff. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.